Hello guys, enjoy the nature, just enjoy the nature. So we can discuss, like, this is a plant which was affected by, you can see small loopers out here also, tiny loopers, which seems cute but then are very hungry, which remains very this is what, which remains very hungry and destroys your crop like anything else. These are very harmful. If you neglect these small loopers, where is it? Here is it. Yeah, these are tiny loopers. If you neglect these small hair-like loopers, it will affect your crop. It will just eat off your entire small or tiny teas. This eats like at a very rapid pace and destroys your crop. The best way to destroy this is to spray alpha-methrin or cypermethrin or delta-methrin at the beginning, so that these are contact-based insecticides, which on contact with these loopers makes them fall from the tree and destroys them, kills them. And within 5 to 6 days from spraying contact insecticide, we need to again spray systematic insecticides like imamectin benzoate or flubendamide, so that these loopers, the larger ones, also get controlled for a time period of 10 to 15 days, or in good or best scenarios we can also see that it gets controlled for 20 to 25 days as well. There are a few more factors which affects works as a breeding space for these loopers and other insects. For the loopers, actually, these are the weeds which are visible in the ground. These are very harmful for the plants, as these take the nutrition from the soil, as well as serves as a good breeding space for these loopers. Once you spray insecticide on the plants, it throws itself down through a spider-like web and takes shelter on the soil. One more looper you can see. It's a new emerging looper these days. Here is it. So far I have not seen them eating eating the tea leaves, but they remain on the tea plants very much. These are this looper, I have been seeing this newly this year only. Beforehand I have never experienced such loopers. So we need to take a note of these loopers. Loopers, not actually, these are caterpillars which might affect your crop.